Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I finally get to share with you my home office update and makeover. I'm super excited for today's video, you guys. I partnered with Homari to give my office a total makeover. And if you're not familiar with Homari, they have a website where they sell everything you need, all the way from furniture to home decor to home improvement. So here I'm just showing you a little bit of the items that they have, and I can't wait to show you the desk that I picked for my office space from homari.com. Stay tuned, in the video you will see it. One of the first things that we did to the office space, of course, was update the lighting. This beautiful light fixture is from Kichler.com, and I will link it down below for you guys. And also, we got a new door because I knew I wanted a glass door in this space, and I ordered this one from HomeDepot.com, and it was delivered to my home, and it was pretty affordable as well. Following along my updates on Instagram, then you probably seen that I purchased this beautiful sideboard to go in the office space at Homegoods. But when I saw it, it was just too bulky, and I was just like, nah, I'm gonna return it. So anyways, here I am just cleaning up this area, getting it ready for the new desk, for the new wallpaper that's gonna be installed in here. Just gonna be doing some light cleaning on the office space. That the office is nice and clean, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the assembly of my new desk. I am super excited to share with you this desk because I think it's super modern, sleek looking, and it was at a good price for the quality of the desk. Here it's just my stepdad helping me with the assembly, but that was fairly easy, to be quite honest. My stepdad was finishing up the assembly of the desk. I decided to go ahead and open and set up the new area rug that I got from this area, which is a beautiful rug. And this one is from Amazon, so I will link it down in the description box as well. So you guys remember I got the Kallax system for Jaden's room, so I decided to bring it downstairs. Since I'm not done with his room, I figure I could just order him a new one and use this one here on my space for now. So my little guy decided to help out, and here he is. He's so cute, you guys. He loved helping. The desk is almost done. We just need to put that drawer right there, and it will be completely done. The assembly was a breeze. Here's my new desk, you guys. I told you it was a beauty. This one is the 55-inch ultra modern white writing desk by homari.com, and this one comes in black as well, and also comes in a bigger size in case you need it to be bigger. I am so obsessed with my new desk. I love the modern design, but I also love the quality of the material. It's a lacquer material. I like that it comes with storage. You see there's a little drawer there for you to put your pens and stuff like that. And it also comes with this cabinet on the side, which is extra storage as well. Check the description box because I will be linking the Homari website, and also don't forget to use my code to get 7% off across the website. Now it's time for wallpaper, you guys. I partnered with Cassette Productions here in South Florida to give my office an accent wall, and you guys, she did an amazing job. Here are some of my favorite designs ideas that she sent over to me, but let me show you the one that I chose, which it was this one. So now I get to show you the behind the scene. Cosette and her team made sure that the walls were nice and clean before they started applying the wallpaper. The coolest thing about this wallpaper, you guys, is that it doesn't damage your walls. It's totally removable. Hard to believe because the quality is amazing. It's not like your regular peel and stick store-bought wallpaper. She custom makes all her wallpapers herself and she comes and install it with her team. If you're not in South Florida, she could still sell the wallpaper for you. She could customize any wallpaper you could imagine. And here's how the wallpaper turned out, you guys. How stunning. I am currently obsessed. Wallpaper installation was done. It was time for me to bring back the furniture into the space and start decorating the office finally, you guys, which is my favorite part. So I was done putting the furniture back together. I secured the shelves into the wall, and that's pretty much what I was doing over here, just, screwing everything back in. I wanted to keep the decor in the office very minimal, very clean, but also at the same time, very grown up looking, Not like your typical pink office with a bunch of girly stuff. This is not that space, but I'm happy with the way it turned out, to be quite honest. Here I'm just creating like a little centerpiece to go in my bookshelf. I'm just showing you what I'm using. I use some moss and then some Dollar Tree little moss bowls. I hope that's what the name is. I don't really know. Or stones or something like that. But you get the point. And I'm just going to start decorating the bookshelves now. Got these black ceramic bases from JCPenney and I'm creating like a little centerpiece as well to go in the bookshelf. And for this one, I'm just using white feather stems to put it in one of the bases. So after I was done decorating the bookshelves, I moved some things around just to make it more symmetrical and more to my liking, but you will see the final look in a second. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. You guys ready to see the big reveal? Okay, here it is. How stunning. I don't know about you guys, but I am currently beyond obsessed with my new office space. Let me know what you think down in the comments. For today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you get inspired by my new office space. Don't forget to let me know down in the comments what was your favorite part of this office makeover. And also, if you're not part of the family, don't forget to hit that subscribe before you go today. I will see you all on the next one. God bless.